Is it time to buy or sell Pinterest stock? In this video, we will delve into Pinterest. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 24th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one out of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2025, our system has designated Pinterest as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of negative 6.44%. This equates to an average loss of negative 3.22% each day since its classification as a sell candidate. The stock has broken through the wide and horizontal trend downwards. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements, and any correction down to the break line at approximately $33.89 is considered to be a second chance to exit before a further decline. It is important to note that false breaks may occur, and the price may return to the horizontal trend. A break accompanied by increasing volume is considered to be more significant and reliable than breaks that occur on low volume. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 1.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 1.15% and 15.95%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 12.22%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from a decline of 10.77% to an increase of 46.06% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $29.45 and $48.20. Our latest daily update for Pinterest features the headline, "Is Pinterest Incorporated stock still a buy after experiencing a decline of 6.44% on Wednesday?" The stock price of Pinterest Incorporated dropped by 6.44% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 24th of September, 2025. Falling from $35.27 to $33. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline for the stock. During the most recent trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.36%, ranging from a low of $32.90 to a high of $35.32. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 of those days, resulting in an overall decline of 6.49%. Additionally, trading volume increased by 9 million shares on this last day, despite the falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 17 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $569,130,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $40.90, while the lowest was $23.68. Currently, the price stands at 19.32%, or $7.90, below the 52-week high, and 63.29%, or $56.90, below the all-time high achieved on February 16, 2021, when the price soared to $89.90. Pinterest is in the headlines this week as its advertising business gains momentum, driven by artificial intelligence tools and stronger partnerships with retailers. Management is introducing Performance Plus AI features and integrations with Google, Amazon, and reseller channels to expand the base of small and medium-sized business advertisers and enhance their return on investment. This initiative, coupled with a new chief financial officer from Instacart joining the board, strengthens the company's credibility in executing its shopping and food and beverage monetization strategies. Analysts have responded positively, initiating coverage with optimistic projections and a midterm target of $52. However, some analysts caution about potential vulnerabilities related to low-quality content generated by artificial intelligence and near-term dilution of effective cost per 1,000 impressions as the company scales internationally. In the short term, expect volatility driven by headlines, pricing pressures in various global markets, and execution risks could lead to fluctuations in the stock price, as recent trading sessions have shown shares slipping despite overall market strength. In the long term, successful monetization through artificial intelligence, deeper retail integrations, and stronger adoption by small and medium-sized businesses could significantly enhance revenue growth, expand profit margins, and justify higher valuations, provided that Pinterest maintains the quality of its content feed and converts user growth, particularly among Generation Z, into sustained advertising expenditures. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 8th of August 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Pins a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Oppenheimer rated Pins as outperform with a hold recommendation. Also on that Friday, Cowen and Company rated Pins with a buy recommendation while maintaining a hold status. In addition, Citigroup provided Pins with a buy rating and a hold recommendation on that date. Earlier, on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, Guggenheim also rated Pins as buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Pinterest stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Pinterest. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock of Pinterest Incorporated holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at levels of $35.49 and $36.06. A breakthrough above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 8, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 13.04%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find noteworthy. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal 77 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Pinterest. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the risk is generally considered to be low. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $2.42, representing a change of 7.36% between its high and low. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.63%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Pinterest, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate a low expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 420 thousandths of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Pinterest. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Pinterest is at $35.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock may potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Pinterest from multiple analyst sources is classified as buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of September 2025, Walcott Wanjiku Wanita executed an insider sale of 14,969 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Acosta Andrea conducted an insider sale of 2,620 shares of Class B common stock. Also on the 20th of September 2025, Brow Donnelly Julia carried out an insider sale of 27,647 shares of Class A common stock. On the 18th of September 2025, Reuter Emily executed an insider purchase of 11,019 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Reuter Emily conducted another insider transaction involving 0 shares. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power stands at a negative ratio of 35.721. In total, insiders acquired 1,338,098 shares and sold 2,853,198 shares in these last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Pinterest stock a good buy? Pinterest Incorporated is currently exhibiting several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 25th of September, we expect Pinterest to open higher by approximately 73 cents, starting trading at $33.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.